548. Let's go. In File896, within this pixel copy helper section, we had a bug, right? So we fixed the bug. This name was wrong and this name was wrong. Now we corrected it here. In File896, we also corrected this function. So we're copying memory from the GPU to the disk, and this name right here, we need to put an I underscore in front of these variables here. Also, in the other direction, disk to GPU copy, we needed to put an I in front of these as well, so that is done now. In Fiopunk, within the Fiopunk external API section within WinSave RGBA896, this is going to, save the new file format to disk. We've created this section, create PNG and URL. We got some shorthand references here. We're going to use the center level pack. That's the level pack we're going to save to disk. And we're going to use our File896 code to grab a level pack from somewhere in Pix2048 and copy the bits over into RGBA896. Then we are going to create a PNG binary file in RAM called PNG bits right here, and then we are going to create a blob out of it, and then we're going to create a download URL for that blob, and then we're going to log the download URL, and if the download URL is falsy, we're going to throw an error. Then we're going to set the href on the anchor tag to that download URL, and then we should be able to invoke the click function right here. However, this is not fucking working. This fucking line right here, it's not fucking working. I have no fucking clue what's going wrong. We'll figure out in the next video. Okay, after we're done downloading, we need to revoke the object URL. Now, I don't know if this is a race condition right here, or like if we're supposed to wait until it's done downloading before we revoke the URL, but I just revoked it immediately because I haven't had trouble with that in the past. And here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, go here to the Ninja Coder channel. You're here on the Kanji Coder channel. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a side-scroller Bomberman game, except we use proximity mines with directional blasts rather than bombs with fuses. Like and subscribe.